Hello, this is Rakesh Rao from DesignSense Software, Bangalore, the BricsCAD distributor in India. In CADPower version 17.10, we introduced the BricsCAD Plus menu at the end of the CADPower interface, and this offers a number of tools which make it much easier for an AutoCAD user to adapt to BricsCAD. So BricsCAD Plus is an interface which has a pull-down menu as well as a number of toolbars. Now let us look at what is there in the pull-down menu. So you have a layer control here which directly opens the Drawing Explorer and takes you to the Layer tab. In BricsCAD you need to go to Tools, Drawing Explorer and Layers. So we thought it's easier for users to have it labeled directly here. Under Layer Tools there are a number of shortcuts which offer you layer on, off, lock layer, unlock, freeze, thaw, isolate and unisolate. So these allow you to access these on the command line very quickly. There's select color which takes you to the color tab dialog box. Then there is line type, line weight, dimension style and multi-line style which take you directly to the Explorer, and that provides a real good shortcut for users to get onto those items quickly. There's point style dialog which opens a small dialog box and offers the user to change the point styles in exactly the same way how AutoCAD does it. So that again adds a layer of familiarity for the first time user. Then there is a filter command which we always had in CADPower, and it's a freeware command in CADPower, which means it never expires. So it's available right under the BricsCAD Plus menu. Couple of other things like setting drawing limits, setting drawing units are accessible more easily instead of having the user to go to settings and search through the various options. There's also purge all, reattach all xref, change dimension precision. So in one quick tool you can pick a bunch of dimensions and change their precision. A couple of other things that users have asked us are reassociate dimensions, update dimensions, which are all common tasks, and we have put that in this menu which you will find it easy to use. There's also lengthen dynamic, and finally here you have add annotation scale values to make objects annotative, and the scale list editor. This is something that is not available in BricsCAD anywhere in the menu. You need to run the scale list edit command to access it. So we thought by putting it in the BricsCAD Plus menu it becomes much more visible and much more easier. So we have had very good success with BricsCAD Plus menu, which we offer as a support tool for both evaluation users as well as the paid users in India. The BricsCAD Plus interface also presents itself with a few toolbars, and you can see the toolbars here. This is the BricsCAD Plus toolbar, which is identical to all the commands here. The other things that people are familiar from AutoCAD are the UCS toolbar, and all of them are identically replicated here. So is the Viewport toolbar, which allows you to clip viewports, set polygonal viewports and so on. And then here's something called QuickTools, which offers you various zoom commands, the real-time 3D viewing constraint sphere, and the real-time pan as well. Now we found that these are some of the things that people find missing in the standard BricsCAD interface and have to struggle a lot to find out where exactly it's located. And even if they find it, it's often too difficult to access it because it involves 2 or 3 menu interfaces and so on. So with BricsCAD Plus we hope we will cut down some amount of drafting time for these users. So BricsCAD Plus is still under development, and you can see that we have a section here called 3D views, and there's one option here called viewpoint presets. But under 3D view we intend to add a lot more viewing options, especially the preset angles and the isometric views and so on, which will make it even more easier for AutoCAD users to get on BricsCAD. So I hope you find the BricsCAD Plus interface useful. This is a freeware section, which means if you install CADPower, and even if CADPower expires after 30 days and you decide not to purchase it, BricsCAD Plus will always be available and will run forever as a perpetual license. Thank you for watching this video, and do let me know if you have any questions. Also, I appreciate if you can let me know if you have any inputs that you want to see here in the BricsCAD Plus interface, and we will be glad to add them for you. Thank you.